Protective outer coverings help provide long-lasting durability. Color-coded wires allow for easy installation. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. ACDelco GM original equipment pigtail connectors are connectors ready to be spliced into vehicle harnesses, and are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. These original equipment pigtail connectors have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. This worked for a 2016 GMC Duramax. I purchased this product to replace the injector plug on a 2016 GMC Duramax 6.6 due to AP0203 code. This did in fact work, even though Amazon confirmed fit said it wouldn't fit. This did fix my code.